We are breathing together. We are learning how to turn poison to nectar. This is called alchemy. They're saying turning base metal to gold. Using the worst that has been demarked as worst as the platform for the highest to flower. You see, alchemy is what you offer the world. What we do here is alchemical. We take the base metal and turn it to gold. Most often they rejected the worst. They didn't know the value of the worst. The unfaithful can be the one that dies for faith. The discarded can be the most precious. It all depends on how you want to enter this world, sir. We are the transformers of this world. My name is Dhyan Vimal, and I participate in the transformation of humanity. I'm an alchemist. You shall look upon the world as an opportunity to exercise what you have come to. We take the worst and we rise the best out of it. If you can't see your worst, there is nothing to transform to the best. When they taught you how to make choices, you chose what can be and what cannot be. Your life became divided. You became left-brained or right-brained. And some of you no-brained. What is the alchemy that you must go through? What is your alchemy to this world? Meeting Isabel, love became more real. Being there for another became more real. That is an alchemy. Your form is an alchemy. Meeting Sarinda, you started seeing success doesn't have to be selfish. Her success is the success of humanity too. You see that. When you meet Astrid, you also see holy can be embodied. It can live among us. Your form is that alchemy. If to know who you are, you must know the alchemicalness of you. It is easy to destroy something. It takes a wise one to turn it to something. They say we are made out of carbon. If the theory is right, the scientists say in a single moment a Big Bang happened. And all that can be came into being as particles, as possibilities, as dust, as carbon, as atoms. And then over time they collected through marvelous process. This earth was formed, it was stabilized, water was collected, oxygen was released, life became possible. It is an alchemy. Are you an alchemist? If you are not, you can't live. Thus I say to you, declare, you are an alchemist. Let the world be as mess as it may be, you are here. You are not hoping the world to be right because you have the ability to write it. You are the writing of the world. To honor you is to live out that alchemy. With everybody we meet, we have a responsibility for what we live out. And understand that is the only way to live you out. There is no other way to live you out. It is not to change another. It is to be such a change, to be such a force that others are inspired to rise to that too. No, you are the healing force. No, you are the bearer of love. No, you are the peacemaker. No, you are the rest of mankind. In not living this, the word selfish takes on a negative note. for you will not allow yourself to be profited by the world, by existence. When you know your alchemy, the alchemical you bring to this world, you have come to know you in one of your highest form. In that highest form, you are a benediction to you and you are a benediction to all. You can almost feel, as I speak of this, a celebration exploding. So what is celebration? Living your alchemy. Celebration is your alchemy in action. It changes everything around. By just you being you, things are changed. You have been a benediction, a love. And this is not to be given to one person. Every human being have to rise to this. Thus I say, be a celebration to this universe. Be the alchemical celebration that changes all in its wake. My masters, some have spoken, some remain silent, some were known, some were unknown, but their alchemical still lives on. Even now, their celebration continues. They are a benediction. So you shall be that too. In the path that is laid by my masters, we carry on celebrating. No matter what the world may be, we celebrate ourselves and others. Now, if you bow to this fact, you have just become a meditator. You have risen to a state of sannyas because you are not giving this responsibility to anybody else. Your sannyas is being lived. And meditation is needed to live it out. And the path of what can be opens. What are you to me? What am I to you? If not an alchemical meeting of a higher celebration to be a healing to all. Sir, I welcome you to you, sir. Young lady, I welcome you to you, young lady. People usually say, welcome home. I say, welcome to you. And I hope you see what I see. What a marvelous thing you are. What a beauty you are. What a magic you are. I leave you with the question, would you live it out? I wonder. For I am simply living me out.